The temperatures are some 5 to 7 degrees below the freezing mark at 32. Westchester is actually 11 degrees colder than the freezing mark at 32 at 21. Factor in the winds. The winds aren't as bad as I expected them to be this morning, but still the wind chill range is around 14 to 20, 14 to 20. Radar, it would be snow. There's no snow in the forecast because of high pressure. And high pressure is in Canada, that's the worst place to have it at this time of year. The reason I say that is not about Canadians. Canadians, don't get mad at me. I give you nothing but love in the summer when I say you got beautiful, nice, mild air headed this way. But there's Arctic polar air on top of Canada now, and therefore a high there brings that air over us. That's what's happening right now. We had a frontal system push through last night, wind shifts to the northwest, and that's why the temperatures have dropped. When I come back, we'll take a look at the long-range type of rain or precipitation in the forecast. Always do that at 45 after the hour. But at the beginning, you want to see the temperatures. So at 15 after the hour, we focus on that. And therefore, story number 2, we're marching towards spring. Now, the equinox is on the 22nd of March or so, and that's, that's soon. The winter solstice, the 21st, look at the hours of daylight. Just 9. The average high was 41. The length of the day was short. The angle of the sun was going through a lot of layers of the atmosphere. Being dispersed, it wasn't very strong. So that's why the temperature dropped from our summer high or our summer temperature of the solstice at 81. It dropped 40 degrees because of the lack of sunshine, right? Now we're going back up to 12 hours of daylight by the 21st. And that's the equinox. That means the temperature jumps 10 degrees because you got a longer day. Angle of the sun is stronger, not going through as many layers of the atmosphere, and then we start to warm up. Now, we don't have the summer on here, but I'll just tell you, we get 15 hours of summer light. That's a lot of time for us to heat up, and that's why we go up to 81 degrees. 1 hour and 31 minutes since the beginning of winter, so we've picked up, 90 minutes. That's pretty good, right? High pressure up north, as I said, brings colder air down over us, and our temperatures today will be below our average high of 41 to 43 degrees. We'll be in the upper 30s, upper 30s. By Friday, things are getting better. Temperatures down south are in the 60s and 70s. If you get a south wind, that'll bring the warm air up. And Friday, maybe 50 in Jersey, 45 to 48 over the boroughs, depending on where you are in the boroughs. Friday's looking pretty good before the rain. By Monday, remember I said there could be a 60? Well, here we go. It's just delayed a little bit, but there's a 60 in Jersey and 59 in the boroughs. It's possible Monday with a southwest wind because we'll tap into that heat down in Miami. Extended forecast, 37 for a high today. Get under the sun without the wind. That 37 won't feel as bad as the actual air temperature. 41 tomorrow, warming up as the wind shifts to the southwest over Thursday into Friday, but dropping like a rock Saturday morning with the wind chill 14. The peak day of the weekend. While not warm by any stretch of the imagination, there'll be sunshine, and 45 degrees won't feel anywhere as bad as Saturday morning's 14 degrees. And that 60 is possible on Monday, Alex, of 60 degrees. And you'll be outside and won't feel as bad, I think. Now, do you?